or reboot your phone, or you can reboot your computer as well. Sometimes. All right, next question comes from us from Facebook. It is Coffee Addict 19. Yeah, can't connect to my Wi-Fi. It keeps saying limited or no connection. Well, the first one you can do is try to forget the network and try to reestablish itself. See if that will help. You'll need the password again to connect back in. The other thing is that try another device. The third one is try to turn off the Wi-Fi on your phone, or reboot your phone, or you can reboot your computer as well. Sometimes certain applications don't let go of the connections properly, and doing a reboot will actually help that. If today cleared up even one headache, a weird pop-up, an AI worry, or a stubborn printer, you're already ahead. Write down the one fix or idea that helped most and try it before the week's out. If you found this useful and informative, please share it with someone who could use a little help making their tech life a little easier.